Let's talk about how to set your payment priority in the RedotPay app. This is a really useful feature if you want more control over which currencies your card uses first. First, open the RedotPay app on your device. Once you're inside, look to the upper left corner of the screen and tap the profile icon. This will take you to your account settings. Next, scroll down and select Payment Priority. This section is where you can customize the order in which your RedotPay card will attempt payments using different currencies. Now, activate Set Preferred Payment. Turning this on gives you full control over your payment order, so your card will always try to use your preferred currencies first. Here's how to adjust the order. If you want to disable a currency, simply tap the minus sign next to it. This prevents your card from using that currency for transactions. If you change your mind and want to restore a currency, tap the plus sign, plus symbol. This will make the currency available again for payments. To make a currency your top priority, tap the up arrow. This ensures that whenever you make a payment, your card will try to use this currency first before any others. You can repeat these steps for as many currencies as you want, rearranging them to fit your spending habits. For example, if you primarily pay in USD but occasionally use ETH or BTC, you can set USD as your top priority while keeping the others available as backups. Once you've finished customizing, your RedotPay card will automatically follow this payment order for every transaction. This not only gives you more control, but also helps avoid accidental charges in less preferred currencies, which can be especially useful if you want to manage fees or optimize your crypto spending. And that's it. A simple way to make sure your payments always follow the order that works best for you.